Hi, I'm Kalia Woods and I work for South Carolina State University's 1890 Research and Extension Program. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a solar oven out of a pizza box and supplies you probably have at home.
A solar oven uses solar energy to cook your food, which is light and heat emitted from the sun. So for this project, you'll need a pizza box, aluminum foil, plastic wrap, black paper, scissors, a ruler, a popsicle stick, a box cutter, tape, and a black marker. First, draw 3 lines with 1-inch borders away from the sides of your box. Then take your box cutter and cut those 3 lines. This will create a flap for the top of your oven. Next, you're going to take your aluminum foil and cover the flap. Make sure to tape the foil to the flap. After that, take another piece of foil and cover the inside of your box. Once you have the inside of your box covered, take the black construction paper and cut it to fit perfectly inside your box, then tape it into place. With your pizza box still open, take the plastic wrap and tape it to the underside of the hole. Close your box and tape another piece of plastic wrap to the top of the hole. This will create a window to help keep the sun's heat in the box. Lastly, cut a slit on the side of the box and on the side of the flap. This is where you will insert your popsicle stick, which will keep your flap in the right place.
So that's it, you guys. Those are all of the steps you need in order to make your own solar oven using a pizza box. But just remember, this is a smaller solar oven, so it will only be able to cook smaller foods like s'mores, mini pizzas, or even mini quesadillas. In order to cook your food, you need to place your oven outside in direct sunlight for 30 minutes to preheat your oven. You're going to open your box and place your food on the black paper. The food items I mentioned earlier will take about an hour to cook, so just keep checking on them. So I hope you guys decide to make this with your family and friends, and I hope you have a great day.